My diamond painting is in. Come on and let's check it out. It came from Wish. So let me show you. This is the tool that you use, and you get a little tray. And this right here is wax. And I'm going to take this out and show you which one I got. Now you can get these many places. You can buy these at Wish, Walmart, anywhere. I got mine on Wish, and this is what I got. I'm going to tape it down, and then we'll be back. As I take a flat surface like a tray, and I open up my pictures, I tape my sides down, and then I put some book on it so it can be a flatter surface because they have it rolled up. And this way, diamonds will stay better. Another thing is, there's a plastic coating on here. Do not remove the whole coating and then work, because it'll lose its stickiness. So you want to just do a section at a time and then pull that back, because you want that stickiness to stay. A lot of people just pull the whole thing off, and then they lose their stickiness and the diamonds falls off. So I am going to work on this for a while, and then we'll be back because my electricity just went out. This is the tray that you're going to get ahead and lay your beads on. This is the wax, and you have to peel the piece of paper off to get to the wax, and then you hit it a little bit until some glue goes there, and then you pick it up. Okay, here's the numbers over here, and all you do is match the numbers with the numbers that's located here with the diamond, and they come in the diamond packs like this. And some is just a little bit more difficult than others. And if you get a kit, it will come with a tray. And normally it's just a green tray like this. And it comes with this right here. And this is like a wax. And what you do is, it also comes with this tool right here. And it's got a hole at the end. Sometimes that helps with shifting or scooping and pouring. You also have a tip, and this is where the wax goes. So basically, you just take this tool and you scoop up some wax on the side, and then this is it. And this will help you pick up the diamonds. Over here is the diamonds. You match the number. And so we'll be putting down this number 2. And we'll put them in a tray. And I put a little bit at a time. And then I like to get ahead and shake the tray. So then this way the diamonds will stick up in a right position. And then you take your tool and you pick up the diamond. So the flat surface will be outwise and the diamond part will be inside the tube. And then you look for the number, and then you place it on that specific number and it'll stick. And you do that, do the whole thing to each number. And when you're out of wax, you just pick up a little bit more wax. You don't want too much wax because you don't want it to dull the top of the diamond. As I go through, I always put a book on top, a heavy book to press down to make sure that glue sticks.